crazy mama. She's actually not crazy. I mean, she has to be at least crazy tolerant because she's on YouTube and Discord. But she seems to be the most reasonable person in the bunch, huh?
Crazy mama. Whew. We keep running into all these people, don't we? We keep getting invited into all the inner circles and all the parties, don't we, crazy mama?
Crazy mama stays on my ass. But
yeah, I give it.
I'm not gonna tolerate any slander by crazy mama. I'm doing my best. If you want better, you know what you need to do.
Where's crazy mama? Can we clip that?
Good KM. Good girl. Loyal. Good girl.
Oh, crazy mama. Oh, yeah, she's back. We gotta play it for her. Every time you come in, I really should play this. Like,